we guide you through how to clean iPhone storage. First, open the Settings app and tap General, then select iPhone storage to see what's taking up the most space. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone analyzes your storage usage. Review the recommendations at the top, such as offload unused apps, review large attachments, or enable iCloud photos if they appear, and use the ones that fits your needs. Next, scroll through the list of apps and tap any app that using a lot of storage. You can choose offload app to keep its documents and data while removing the app itself, or delete app if you no longer need it. Go back and repeat this for other large apps. After that, open the photos and remove unwanted videos, screenshots, or duplicate photos. Then don't forget to empty the recently deleted album to actually free up the space. You can also clear Safari data by going to Settings, Apps, Safari, and tapping Clear History and Website Data if you're comfortable removing your browser history. And finally, restart your iPhone to help refresh the system, and check your available storage again by returning to Settings, General, and iPhone Storage.